Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at Flux, currently trading for $0.53. What's our pathway to a new all-time high? We're deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are down really bad in the last 1 year, but I've been seeing some signs of life on the weekly time frame and on the daily time frame. Flux is up more than 22.2% in the last 1 week, and it's also up more than 15.7% at the point of recording of this video. Right now, we're deep in the bear market. How long will it take Flux to pump into new all-time highs? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Flux US dollar price chart. We'll also be looking at Flux performance against Bitcoin, Flux performance against Ethereum, and we'll also look at Flux market cap. Currently, this altcoin has a market cap of over $150 million. We have seen the market cap even get to as high as $750 million in January 2022. How high do we believe Flux market cap can get to by the end of the next bull run? Is there a possibility we can go any lower in this bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. If you want to make money online trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, deep in the crypto bear market of 2022, all coins are having a terrible year, including Flux. Flux is down 71% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month alone, it's down 27.9%. But there's some signs of life in the altcoin market. On a weekly and on daily time frame, we have seen Flux go up 22.3% in the last 1 week. This is the Flux US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. This altcoin was launched in August 2018. We saw it go through the previous bear market. It went as high as over 800%, going from as low as $0.025 to as high as $0.23, and we also saw it dump really well in the bear market. We saw it lose more than 92% of its value from $0.23. We saw Flux dump to as low as $0.017. And that was a new all-time low, but that was also the best time to get this altcoin, because if you had invested just $1,000 in Flux in January 2021, guys, 2021 would have been awesome, because in the next 364 days, we saw Flux go up over 17,000%. Going from as low as $0.019 in January 2021, we saw it get to as high as $3.42. A $1,000 investment in Flux in January 2021 would have returned over $177,000 by the end of the year. The bull market comes, the bear market comes. Right now, we're in the bear market, and right now is the time to begin accumulation, because guys, if you are accumulating some Flux in the previous bear market when it was going down 92% from its all-time high, you would have been among those investors that were shouting kumbaya when we were pumping to new all-time highs. So right now, as Flux is dumping the bear market, this is the best time to start accumulating. Remember guys, you don't want to go all in on any of these altcoins. Yes, Flux might be down more than 89% from the all-time high we set in 2021, but there's always that possibility that we can go lower in the bear market. The lowest we have seen Flux go in the bear market of 2022 was in June 2022, when it got to as low as $0.38. Right now, we're holding those lows. Maybe, just maybe, that's the bottom for Flux in the bear market, but there's always that possibility we might see this altcoin even drop to as low as $0.18. You have to keep that in the back of your mind. If you're going to be holding cryptocurrencies for a long time, always remember, yes, they can pump to the upside, but they can also dump really well down to the downside. If Flux is going to go to the $0.18 region, it will have to go down another 65% from where we're currently trading. But maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in, because we caught a very, very strong bounce of the $0.38 level. Are we having a double bottom scenario right now? We saw Flux pump up more than 93%, getting to as high as $0.76. Even though that pump was short-lived, that's a very, very good sign. Maybe we'll see Flux go below the $0.38 region, but another level I'll be paying attention to for Flux, if we continue pumping to higher prices, might be the $0.75 region. That level has proven to be an important region for Flux over the last 6 months. I won't be shocked to see us also get rejected off that $0.75 level if we try again. But at some point in time in the future, we are going to trade above the $0.5 level. We'll be heading for the next major resistance around the $1.3 level. We saw Flux trade around $1.3 in September 2022, and before it got to $1.3, this altcoin went from 0.3 to as high as 1.3 in just 77 days. It went up 236%. That's good to see, but guys, that $1.3 region might be where we'll get stopped out in the bear market. If we see Flux trading above the $1.3 region, I'll be pretty 70% sure that Flux is out of his bear market. For it to get to new all-time highs, we'll have to also take out the $2.93 region. That's the all-time high we saw Flux trading in January 2021. If we get to the $3 region, Flux will be ready for higher prices. Even if we get rejected our first attempt, at some point in time, we'll go back, try, and we'll see Flux getting to new all-time highs. Now, the million-dollar question will be, how high do we believe Flux can go by the end of the next bull run? For that, we'll use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Flux in January 2021 to the bottom we have seen Flux get to in this bear market. If Flux doesn't go below the $0.36 level, there's a very strong chance we'll see Flux trading around the $12 region by the end of the next bull run. For it to get there, we have to go through this heavy resistance. But guys, when the bull run comes around, everybody will be shouting kumbaya, and we're going to be pumping to the moon. And for Flux to get to that $12 region, it will have to just go up 2,200%. It means a $1,000 investment in Flux right now should return over $22,000 if we get to the $12 region. And guys, for Flux to go up 2,200%, that is not the biggest pump we have seen in Flux. In the 2021 bull run, we saw Flux go up more than 10,000%. Flux went up 26,000% in total. So us asking Flux to go up 2,200% in the next bull run, it's just really small because there's a very strong chance Flux might even get as high as more than $20. We might see it getting to as high as $50 by the end of the next bull run. But we don't want to shoot our expectations to the moon. Yes, we want to be positively surprised. If Flux get above $12, heading towards the $40 region, that's good to see. But our target for the next bull run will be around that $12 region. Let's take a look at some details about Flux. In the last 1 year, Flux has gone from as high as $4.17 to as low as $0.38. With a market cap of $149 million, Flux has a fully diluted market cap of $235 million. We have over 282 million Flux in circulation out of a maximum supply of 440 million tokens. Currently rank 141 on CoinMarketCap, cap, over 116,000 people have Flux on their watch list. Why we want to get some Flux through the bear market? Where will Flux get to new all-time highs in the future? Flux is the cryptocurrency that powers the Flux ecosystem. It has numbers of uses, including purchasing resources, collateralizing nodes, and fueling transactions in FluxOS, as well as rewarding both miners and FluxNode operators for providing computational resources. Where can you get some Flux if you want to get some to hold through the bear market? You can get this altcoin on Binance, on KuCoin, on PancakeSwap, on Bittrex, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Flux right there. If you take a look at Flux performance against Bitcoin, when the market is pumping, it outperforms Bitcoin. The flip side to that is that when the market is dumping, it also dumps harder than Bitcoin. We have seen Flux pump well against Bitcoin in the past. In this instance, in 2019, it went up 692% against Bitcoin. What happened after it pumping really well against Bitcoin meant it lost 99% of its value against Bitcoin. But that was not all. From January 2021, that was the glory days for Flux. Flux went up more than 28,000% against Bitcoin in just 1 year. One Bitcoin invested in Flux would have returned over 282 Bitcoins. And for Flux to get to new all-time highs against Bitcoin in the future, it will just have to go up 150%. If you take a look at Flux performance against Ethereum, it dumped really well when the market is dumping. The flip side to that is that it pumps really well when the market is pumping. We saw it first pump really well against Ethereum. It went up 2,200%. and then we saw it dump really well against Ethereum again. We saw it lose 98% of its value around 637 days. But what happened in January 2021? I told you guys Flux had a wonderful 2021. It outperformed Bitcoin, outperformed the US dollar. It also outperformed Ethereum, going up more than 6,000% in the process. One Ethereum invested in Flux in January 2021 would have returned over 60 Ethereums by January 2022. And right now, for Flux to get to new all-time highs against Ethereum in the future, it has to go up more than 204% into the moon. If you take a look at Flux market cap, the all-time high Flux market cap was able to get was around the $800 million region. In the bear market of 2022, we have seen the market cap even drop to as low as $96 million. We're still holding the June lows for Flux market cap. Guys, how high do I believe the market cap can go to by the end of the next bull run? If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, the market cap can get to as high as $3.5 billion by the end of the next bull run. And for Flux market cap to get that high by the next bull run, we have to see the market cap go up over 2,000%. Keep in mind that in the 2021 bull run, we saw Flux market cap go up over 36,000%. So I will not be shocked to see Flux market cap go up quickly, gaining more than 2,000% in that time frame. There's always that possibility that Flux can surprise a lot of us and the market cap can just shoot to as high as $14 billion. If Flux is going to do that, we'll have to see the market cap go up over 9,000%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, deep in the crypto bear market, all coins are down really bad in the last 1 year, including Flux. Are you accumulating more Flux right now, adding into your moon bag, or are you waiting for lower prices? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.